something.
Well over 200 yards rushing in the last two games, including 139 last week versus Calgary. Wes Dressler back in the receiving corps. The offensive line with Belton Johnson playing a tackle for Glenn January. Second and 10. Short of the first down. The Calgary Stampeders, I mentioned the other side with Saskatchewan at 6-0. The Stampeders losing their last two football games, but when you look at all these games for Calgary, the three losses, 8 points total combined in those three losses, all in the final minute of the game. A lot of people saying that this team could be 6-0 as well. Here's Conti, who had his first miss last week. Late in the game, 15 of 16 on the season. 36-yard touchdown. He's good again. And the Saskatchewan Roughriders add 3 more on the turnover. Giving the 2008 GMC Sierra more power doesn't make it professional grade. Giving it 315 horsepower while making it the most fuel-efficient 4x4 full-size pickup. The 2008 GMC
Roll over, Misha.
we gave it more power. We made it more fuel-efficient. We examined everything and overlooked nothing. Then backed it with the best coverage in
No.
That's professional grade. I call upon the youth of the world to assemble employees from Beijing.
Misha.
Get out of that curtain.
It's so predictable. It's the most consistent ball that I've ever played. Especially when it's
Somersault together.
rethink your ball. Here are the leaders in rules and regulations brought to you by TaylorMade. Brian Bear,
Piss her off for a while.
Oh yeah.
player with a better than 70% average. Harrison Fraser is not far back though, followed by Robert Allenby, Joe Durant, and Hunter Mahan. The CFL on TSN is brought to you in part by the 2008 GMC Sierra. Professional grade.
Are you getting tired? Hey, baby girl.
Imagine if she had one bell here, one bell here. That would really drive her.
Oh.
Nine-yard pickup, and the catch is made by Kenyon Rambo.
Yeah, she tuckered herself out.
Rough Rider defense, number 1 in the league against the run, number 2 against the pass. Deep base.